Hello, number six. You are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and I am Himali Narsin, your astrologer, tarot reader, numerologist, and life coach. Let's look at what are the energies coming up for number six, and what is it that you should be expecting in the next few days. This prediction is for the period of 18th of March for the rest of the month, and let's see what are the energies for number six. So, number six, the energies come up for you as your general energies are Three of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. So, Three of Pentacles here indicates that you could be involved in a lot of teamwork. You could be deciding with your family members in terms of your love life. There could be a new offer of love for you, and this is something that that you and your team members or you and your family members could be deciding on. This could be a part of a conflict in terms of your family, in terms of involvement. This could be a relationship that is coming um, from a love marriage. This could be a relationship that's coming from different parts of societies. Could be intercaste, inter religion, whatever you can think, inter whatever. That could cause a conflict, and your family may not be okay with the change, or their family could not be okay with the change, and this could be a causing rift here. But definitely a new interest of love, someone offering their cup of love to you, and you taking it very very seriously and thinking about it. Looks fabulous to me. Your cards are fabulous, number six. So on the love front, we've got Five of Wands and Three of Pentacles. Again, Five of Wands here indicates that there could be challenges, there could be there could be constant obstacles when it comes to your love life. Also could indicate, for some of you, this could indicate that you could have constant obstacles with your lover, and this is something that's putting you off. The lover wants to sit and discuss things with you, make things work. For those who are married, this could also involve going to a guide or someone, a relationship counselor or someone, to get these things sorted. But yes, if you are married and you're facing challenges in your love life, in your married life, do seek out a relationship counselor, and that's going to help you by leaps and bounds, number six. For the rest of you who are trying to get married to the love of their life and facing obstacles with their parents and families and societies, you will get over it. Trust my word on this, and you will get over it. Take a personalized remedy for this, and I am sure we will get over this. On the work front, you've got the Page of Cups and Six of Wands. A good news for you arrives. Number six, I am so happy to read this. You will get a news of promotion, a news of hope, commitment, and something new that you've been waiting for. Six of Wands again indicates a success card. So yes, this is something that you've been wanting to do. A new project, a new opportunity just coming out of the blue, from nowhere, falling in your lap, and you are surprised, and you're like, wow, how could things just work out for me like this? But yes, for the rest of the days, March, you are entering these energies. You are going to face all this. You always have a balance on either side of your life, so there might be obstacles somewhere, but there are good things happening on your work front, number six. I am so happy for you. Let's look at some of the advices we have for you. An advice from Romance Angel would be true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. So if you are someone who's fighting with your lover, don't. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. So if you have not yet practically thought about your plans, now is the time to do so. Your creativity is at a peak fertility. So are your opportunities, number six. And let's look at the lucky color and an advice from the angel for you right now. The message for you is build your confidence. The lucky number for you is 35, and that's your lucky color. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yes, you can. And an advice from the angels, something that you really wanted to hear. Yes, no, what should I do? What shouldn't I do? This is the perfect timing, number 6. So, perfect timing is your message. And number 6, this was your reading for the days coming up. Please let me know if this resonates with you or if it's starting to resonate with you. Take a personalized reading from our webpage by logging on to www.ruhaniguidance.com and book your personalized services, and we will revert to you in the next 24 to 48 hours. Until I bring more content to you, number 6, please stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.